Lazy Sunday morning.
Good morning, everyone. So today I'm doing the protein cereal for breakfast. Instead of milk, I like to have more protein, so I will do a protein and almond milk and just use that as my milk. So today was hair washing day, so I'm using my Function of Beauty. This stuff has helped me so much since bleaching my hair, so that's what I use, and it also smells like peaches, so that's a plus. Guys, I feel so much better now that I showered. I feel clean and less stuffy because I had a head cold, so it feels so good to finally be clean and have my hair washed. I think the antibiotics that I'm taking are making my hair fall out because I've lost quite a bit of hair during this wash. I don't really have a routine for my face yet because I haven't found that product that works well with my skin. I am very sensitive to any fragrances or pretty much anything I feel like on my face, so I haven't found out what to use on my skin. When I do, I will show you guys what I do because I honestly love watching skincare routines. I just can't really do that because I don't have anything to put on my face other than water. So, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep it really chill and cozy today because it's Sunday and I'm just going to be getting ready for the new week. I do want to try my new coffee. I got some new coffee, so I want to try that and I'm excited. I'm excited to get all cozy and warm.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple loving, it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice.
Hair is crazy once again, but I just cooked that beef for my rice. I always meal prep my rice, you guys saw that, but I'm gonna do that and some beef for dinner and probably cut up a little bit of my cucumber on top because I always like a cold veggie on top. It always tastes so good to me. I'm gonna do that for dinner and then I'm gonna meal prep my chicken for next week so I can have that with my rice. That way it helps me to not binge eat or eat things that I shouldn't eat because it's already there, it's already made for me, and it's easy.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie.
Hardest part is like
These little songs make me glad to call you mine.
so I just meal prepped everything and I'm gonna end off the night with my dessert. I have 2 little cuties. I'm gonna have these and I'm gonna make myself some more tea because that's all I drink. Right now I'm just trying to get better. Got Holly down here on the floor. What is it? The eclipse in Taurus? What is it? Solar eclipse?
Yeah, full moon in Taurus.
Full moon in Taurus. There's some cool
Whatever
stuff
that
happening.
means. We're gonna release our demons.
Yep. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Led Zeppelin movie Stairway to Heaven, their most popular
Guys, we went shopping again. Can you even see what it is? I got some creamer for my coffee. I guess I'm an official coffee girl now. We got some sauce because it was saucy. So I'm gonna eat my first dinner, some chicken and rice, and then we'll have our sushi and dessert after. I'm gonna show you guys the donuts because they're cute, number one, and they're delicious, number two.
Guess what we're about to do?
Taste test, taste test. We are now trying the donuts.
Yep.
First one is our little red velvet.
Quite dry.
What do you rate that?
6 out of 10.
I say 5 out of 10. Next up is our blueberry. Know it?
Oh my god, I just ate a biscuit. Not terrible, the icing is good.
I'm gonna say a 6 out of 10.
6.
Pumpkin strudel, apple strudel. That was not worth the hype, man. That needs to be warmed up though.
Something's wrong.
Something's wrong. I say 3 out of 10.
Even 4.
Okay, so the last and final donut is one of my all-time favorites. Can y'all guess it? Y'all are true besties if you guessed. This doesn't look very good, but it is the one and only raspberry filled.
Filling's good. Yummy.
Ever since I was a kid, I was obsessed. That one I think will get a solid 7.5 out of 10. Because I haven't had a really, really good donut in a long time.
I'll give it an 8. Because I like the filling. It's very, very yummy.
Yeah, who am I kidding? I'm gonna eat this whole thing. I'll give it an 8. Okay, so we're gonna enjoy these and I'll see you guys later. that I was telling you guys about. I made some coffee. I make it in a mason jar and I just like to stir this, so that's why I always have a spoon in there. It's snowy outside, it's super cozy here. I was going to go wash my car today and vacuum it out, but it doesn't seem very appropriate in the snow. But first things first, We're gonna open this package because I love Scentbird. Scentbird is like, not sponsored by the way. I heard about it on like Haley Gamba's channel, I think. I tried it and I kind of love it because I'm always like, I always want perfume wherever I go. And these are the perfect size. And like I just want to show you guys. Like, this is so cute. It's like personalized. Then it also comes in another case. Super, super cute. So you like turn it to lock it. No, and I'm gonna pretend like I know what I'm doing, but I don't. Let's try this smell for the first time. Oh, I can try it on mine. Ooh, that smells good. I love that. That smells super good. I'm pretty sure this one is the Viva La Juicy. You can do monthly subscriptions, and I never thought that I would need that, but like I take this everywhere, and I always want like this in my car. I want it in my room, just anywhere, everywhere. I just wanted to shout them out because I get excited over perfume, and I love that like you can buy just little personal ones. That way you don't like spend $100 on every single bottle, you know? When I get bored, I like to switch things up, so it's perfect. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. So I made the decision to go get my car washed because I really want to clean it out, and I might as well do it today or it's just not gonna get done. I do want to go to a coffee shop and start editing because I am already getting tired. Just sitting here, I was just uploading all the videos from my phone, from my camera to my phone. So I think I'm going to just do that to get out of the house today. Just feel like getting something cleaned and doing some laundry and just catching up on some stuff that I tend to neglect when I'm always doing something. So time to get my car cleaned and edit this video and be productive. I got a free air freshener too. And those.
What we do tonight is on, 'cause I could be with you tomorrow. Don't matter what happens tomorrow. I'll dance with you tonight. I'll dance with you tonight, girl. I'll dance with you tonight. I'll fix it tomorrow. I'll dance with you tonight. No matter what we got going on, it don't matter, girl. I'll fix it all I can.
So clean in here, like hours later though.
I told you you're my everything, and you made me feel so special. Oh, so rock with me to the drum now, rock with me to the drum, girl. Let me just show you run my world. You make it feel like okay. I spend like every damn day with you, girl. So it don't matter in the AM, 'cause right now it is the PM. When we get slimy in DMs, girl. And it don't matter what happens now, 'cause I'll fix it in the AM. 'Cause right now it is the PM. I'll just fix it.
Alright, I just got home. I am going to make some dinner and head to bed because I have to work early tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next week.
I don't know.